Hey everyone, so you've heard about the awesome Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, right? Well, guess what? There's talk about an even cooler phone coming in 2025, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. How exciting is that? Now, the S24 Ultra is great and all, but it kinda looks a lot like the S21 Ultra. We're hoping the S25 Ultra brings some fresh new designs, especially after seeing Samsung's awesome foldable phones. Here's the deal. The S24 Ultra used to have a massive 16 gigs of RAM, but Samsung decided to remove that option. Strange, huh? Having all that RAM would have kept the phone super fast for a long time. Plus, flagship phones are getting more expensive, so having that extra power would have been nice. Speaking of price, the S24 Ultra starts at over $1,000 and doesn't have expandable storage. So, if Samsung keeps the same price for the S25 Ultra, it needs to bring some serious upgrades to compete. One thing we absolutely loved about the S22 Ultra was the S Pen. It was like magic. We're hoping for even cooler S Pen features with the S25 Ultra. Now, about the camera. Some people weren't happy when Samsung swapped the 10x zoom for a 5x zoom in the S24 Ultra. Sure, the pictures were sharper, but that extra zoom was fun. Let's hope they bring it back in the S25 Ultra, along with some other cool camera improvements. So, who's excited for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? If you are, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. See you later.